Yo, what is going on, viewers of the tube? Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope you're getting some good turkeys, mashed taters, gravy, and all that jazz. It's time for Chico Crypto. Oh yeah, what's up? Hash Spike, what's up? Bobby H, Natasha, Carl Ball, Bearish on XRP, me too. Jack Potter. Yeah, I still think 6K is getting hit. I talked about this in my video last week or earlier this week about what's going to happen. I think on Monday it was posted. I thought, the pump was going to come over the weekend, last weekend, where we would hit 78K, maybe even 8,000. And a lot of the media and YouTubers would start being very bullish. And that's what's happening right now. I thought it would come earlier. Time frames a little bit longer than I expected, but it's happening. Media, YouTubers, all bullish. Bakkt volume exploded. So they're, longing. They're telling everyone, let's long, baby. So the long squeeze is coming. CME gap, probably Monday, Tuesday, I would expect it to be filled nicely. And then the big tumble. That's my personal opinion. It's just, and in the stream, I'll show you exactly why I think it's coming. Bitcoin's chart for the monthly is disgusting. It's bearish as can be. Dropping, $3,000 nearly in 3 months or in 30 days. But, okay. 6.4 we did hit right here. That is close to, Angelo's 6K call. But I still think it's going to get into the 6K, 5.5K range because that's where U.S. miners become unprofitable and China wants to continue its dominance over Bitcoin. Not necessarily trading in that. They want dominance over actual held Bitcoin, kind of like gold. So they are allowing their citizens and that industry to flourish in China. So the miner purge will come early December, my prediction. Happy Turkey Day, Scotty P. Thanks for tuning in, man. What's up, Mexican Charlie Lee? Yeah, Enigma is doing great. David, this guy has been so wrong many times, I can't even begin to tell you. Oh, God, I've been so much more right than wrong. Oh, two, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, I gotta let everyone know. So, like I said, I personally don't do giveaways. I feel like if I'm giving away, stuff to people myself, it's kind of like I'm a rich guy and I gotta, buy my friends, the rich homie. The only way you can get people to hang out is so they can come over and play with his cool toys. But I partner with companies and when I partner with a company, I want them to support the Chico community just as much as me. So, of course, this is sponsored from BetMatch. It's a sports betting, crypto-powered platform. We've done some giveaways on the channel before just for cash, but now we got some grand prizes. First place is a vacation package for two, up to $3,000 or $3,000 in Bitcoin or Ethereum each. Second place, iPhone 11 or a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And third place, crypto hardware wallet, Ledger Nano X, and a Tracer Model T. So, and we also have regular prizes, one winner for 1K, two winner for 500 each, three winners for 300 each, and four winners for 200 each. So that's going on right now. To be a part of it, you just have to register for BetMatch, make any deposit onto their platform. Any size deposit can be, $5, can be $100, doesn't matter. Then you need to get your BetMatch email you sign up with, the first half of it. So, my email says tylerswope@chicocrypto.com. I would just comment onto this video, Tyler Swope, not the @Chico Crypto. Just the first half of your email, as well as your BetMatch deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum address. People have been doing it on this video. I'll show you one just for example. Right, E. Falvardo 44. And then his BetMatch crypto, Bitcoin, or Ethereum address. So, giving away some cool stuff. Hopefully, next year I hope to give away a Tesla on the channel. I better get someone to give away a Tesla or a Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's kind of cool. Oh, whoa, man. Lowrider, dude, no. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Happy Thanksgiving, man. I'm helping this boomer grow his bags. Well, you're a smart boomer. You're a smart mover. Not too many are going the cryptocurrency way in that age range. Probably, probably 5 to 10%, I would guess. But those 5 to 10%, know what's coming. I mean, a big transfer of wealth is coming from boomers to millennials. And Bitcoin's going to be one of the things that helps that along, I think, in crypto. That's awesome, man. Thank you. Makes my Thanksgiving. So this is what I want to talk about. Thumbnail, you saw some Bakkt, you saw some crypto YouTubers. I'm going to, kind of crap on them a little bit this episode. Volume on Bakkt is surging. 42.5 mil just the other day, 11/27. Going from measly peanuts, and now it's surging. I mean, that's a good amount of volume. 42.5 mil. CME is like 250 mil. So that's good. That's really good. Or you think. I mean, everyone's like, Bakkt has Bitcoin bulls excited volume. This Alex Kruger, a lot of people follow him. He's pumping back like, oh, look at this. We're getting so many people buying Bitcoins. My boutte. This is funny.
Be enough for this volume because each one of these represents 1 Bitcoin. And if that doesn't get you excited, it's even higher on the CME because each one of those represents 5. Although that's...
He doesn't know what he's talking about. That guy is stupid. I'll tell you that. Modern Investor. I mean, he's a large channel too, 152K. He's doing the same thing.
And I guess their current target is 5,467, 41 million US dollars worth of Bitcoin. A lot of people are seeing this.
He's doing the same thing. We go to data trash. He is trash.
You mentioned like some
in
people
my opinion.
Some people think that's the end of the world if it's on an up or down day. No matter what, it really matters in this case if contracts are trading. And right now we've seen a new level of volume, $42.5 million on the daily, processing on an update here for Bitcoin. So it is good to see this, right?
Guy's full, I'll tell you that. Oh, and one thing too, his daddy does everything for him. I'll tell you that right now. I had his dad email me threatening to take some action if I didn't take down a video about him. His dad. Grow up, Data Dash. And then, who is this? The Moon.
Now you can see how as Bitcoin increased its volatility, the interest in Bakkt has...
This is funny too. Watch this.
Dramatically increased, and it seems like the institutions are starting to trade these contracts. And I think that's bullish, but obviously the price is going down as the volume here is going up. So
I obviously that's bullish, but the price is going down as the volume's going up. You guys know me. I've exposed Bakkt. I've tried to get what they're doing. This is obvious. Today we set a new daily record of 1,756 Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures traded. Dump from, up above 9,000. Now we get down to 8,800. It's only 205 ET and we've already traded 2,367 contracts today, beating our previous record of 1,756. Womp. It's obvious. I mean, crazy. David Cardenas, thank you. I love you too, man. I appreciate the tip. I love you again. Thank you. Yeah, it's obvious what's going on. I've exposed Bakkt. You've seen a couple of my videos if you've paid attention to my channel. They're coming out with the cash too. December 9th. They're pretty much going to go away fully from any of the actual supposedly backed contracts, and they're going to cash settled. What's this? Why do I even have this up? Oh yeah, there's one kind of YouTuber. He did copy my content and won't give me credit for it, but he copied my going after Bakkt and their deception. And yeah, he's crypto lark, but at least he's on the right end of things, and he's starting to realize, yeah, Bakkt ain't good for Bitcoin. I love you again, David, and I love you again. Jiminy Christmas, guys. Calm down with the tips. No, I'm not going to mess around with that hex. Oh, Diesel, first time tipping on a YouTube stream? That's awesome, man. Thank you. So yeah, if you guys want to tune in and learn about Bakkt, definitely check out my channel. I mean, here's a good one. Bakkt is Wall Street's attack on Bitcoin. Someone looks like they reviewed my video online. That's cool. Yeah, this is gonna tell you much about it, but it's a video too. You can find it. Bakkt's evil agenda exposed. They're connected to Trump, Wall Street. You can't figure out any way to get Bitcoin out of their warehouse. There's no information posted about how you get delivery out of the warehouse. There's information about delivery to their warehouse, but it looks like if you want to get them out, you're going to have to go the cash route. It's not really, I mean, you don't have access to the Bakkt private keys. You have a Bakkt Bitcoin, basically. It's a placeholder where they, say they might have those Bitcoin, but I think it's really an attack to inflate the supply, kind of like CME futures. So, I mean, and that's the thing about all these crypto YouTubers. They're showing their Bybit links too. Data Dash isn't good. I hope he doesn't soon. But they're bullish. So then they go to the end of their video and they tell their subscribers to use my Bybit link. Maybe Zombie listened to me and he stopped doing that. Hopefully, because he's going to get in trouble. I'm just trying to help you, Zombie. He's not using it looks like, anymore. But he was. And they tell you to go to their Bybit link and leverage trade, which if you're listening to them right now, they're telling you to long. Let's see if the moon, where do you go, the moon? He's telling you to still. There are all these traders stopping Bybit now. Are they listening to me?
It is also possible.
Cool. Hell yeah. But yeah, don't go leverage trade and long because the short REKT or the long squeeze is coming. Oh man. Just here you have a hard time to pronounce my name. This is Jacques Baudou. I tried. Probably not close. So, yeah, I don't like most of the crypto YouTubers. But as you can see right now, I'm using the Brave browser. I haven't used it because some issues sometimes with YouTube playing videos on live stream, but supposedly that's fixed. People are telling me, and so I'm going to use it now for my live streams. And this is the time to be telling your family at home, Thanksgiving right now, download the Brave browser. You can earn cryptocurrency for just browsing the internet, which you can withdraw now out to an outside wallet and, eventually cash out. So what I'm trying to explain to you, if you get, your family members to download it now and they start using it in place of whatever, Google Chrome, they just browse on their phone and stuff, that money they're making, say, it's just, $10 to $20 a month here. Give it the next bull run, that $10 to $20 a month they're making throughout that time is going to be able to pay for Christmas in 2021, 2022. That's when adoption comes. They realize, holy shit. So, that's what I'm going to try to do. I got my Madre, my family, to download it. Oh, the Tasman. Thanks, brother. I'm going to continue. Yeah, Algorand, involved with the Visa, TEE. They're talking about, I don't think they're building on top of it necessarily right now, but they said in the future, to go to a public blockchain, they could use something like Algorand, which was interesting. So yeah, this was the tweet I put out in November 15th. The idea when I heard you could actually withdraw the basic attention tokens from the wallet. It was used to be internal. So I told people, like, get your friends and family to do this. It's Thanksgiving. That's how we get adoption. Oh yeah, I forgot. Before I move on from Bakkt, I did send them the email. Right here, how long does it take for physical delivery of a Bitcoin? How long would it take to turn a Bakkt certificate into physical Bitcoin that would be sent out of the exchange to my personal public Bitcoin key, like on my Trezor or Ledger? Best regards, Chico Crypto. That was sent a long time ago, November 12th. They still haven't replied. Oh shit, I think someone almost took down my stream. Nope. Ooh, that was close. Thanks, top fan. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I mean, you can't just make connections with Vitalik. Misego, you know, even had Vitalik as a advisor, and they're not doing the greatest. So I will look at Ocean, and I've heard things about it, so I will take a look. And I appreciate the tip, man. Everyone's been awesome this stream. One thing I want to talk about, it's coming in my next episode regarding security tokens, IEOs, what's coming regarding DeFi. It's kind of cool episode coming on Monday. Or is that on Friday? Yeah, tomorrow actually. Is the ERC 1404 standard. It's a security token standard, and it's disgusting. I'll tell you that right now. Basically, KYC is involved with it. The issuers can revoke your tokens at any time. It basically goes against everything crypto was made. And yeah, Fidelity is using it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, Brave just reached 40 mil on Android. It's amazing. No, there's money to be made with altcoins. Cortic. Simon Cabral, thanks, brother. Yeah, Misego has turned out to be a huge disappointment, even in the plasma arena. You know, they were supposed to be working on plasma, and they're not even involved heavily with anything of the big plasma type things going on, like optimistic rollup, optimistic virtual machine. They might use it to help them out, but they're not the ones creating it. Icon might have been a Korean hustle, but I'm holding on to it still. I'm holding on to a lot of the regional smart contract platforms that haven't, you know, opposed blockchain, public blockchain. South Korea hasn't. Russia hasn't. China has. They oppose public blockchain. So I'm out of NEO, you know. Get out of NEO. And they moved out of China for a reason. They know it's not happening. If any public blockchain gets a look, it's Ontology, because they still own a majority of the tokens and they could give those to the central government. But I still wouldn't put any money on that. But this is regarding Upbit. 342,000 Ethereum have been swiped. That sucks. And some people are saying it's for them to avoid taxes and stuff. Able to claim that as a loss. So they don't got to pay any taxes. Oh yeah, regarding some of the Binance drama, Jay Howe of OKX is going hard at C2Z, exposing them. They did have offices in Shanghai. It's confirmed now. They're working under another name, company. Jay Howe exposes it all. It's pretty much been on TV in Shanghai. It's, yeah, confirmed. Unfortunate for Binance. But that lady, too, she looks weird. I'll tell you that. China's
融资和虚拟货币交易所之后，上周五，人民银行上海总部发文，对于虚拟货币的相关业务活动开展了专项的排摸整治工作。
Now that too, you guys, they're not going to use that. I'll tell you that. Any public blockchain in China is not going to happen. I'm out of all China coins except the last dose right now, because the tech is pretty damn. It's different. But, regarding, I don't like OKX. You guys think some people are like, oh, you're getting paid by OKX to FUD Binance. No. OKX is shitty too. Jay Howe right here, he's tweeting a thing with Tether throwing money at Bitcoin like a stripper. He retweets this about OKX USDT margin futures trading. He's involved with the Tether cartel too, just as much. I mean, he's retweeting this. No, I don't like either of them, I guess you could say. Best alternative for Binance is DEXs. I mean, I use DEXs 100%. Because I'm focused on Ethereum DeFi, a lot of the Ethereum, swappers, trustless swappers, Xerox Protocol, KyberSwap, they have all the tokens I want. So I don't have to even go onto a centralized exchange. And I mean, most of these new coins are shat coins, so DEXs are the way to go. But, I mean, for high volume traders, I'm not a high volume whale or anything. Things like KyberSwap might not have the volume. But for just the regular retail trader, KyberSwap is great. But yeah, you guys, Enigma been surging. It's pumped back into the top 100 from like 150, 160. Ooh, that's a good 1 month chart. Sexy, I'll tell you that. And iExec RLC, similar 1 month chart. Not as sexy, but their 3 month chart is. Oh, see, dude, I hate freaking CoinMarketCap. It is garbage. I'm so used to it because I'm an old school guy from 2013, and this was all that was around. It is trash now. God dang, CoinMarketCap, get your crap together. There is the 3 months. Yeah, 3 months hardcore. And then Chainlink. Yeah, baby. My link stank hard, I'll tell you that. The 1 year chart on Chainlink is gnar hard. Yeah. So great calls, and I think I'm going to have some more, hopefully. But I don't know. It just depends on the market if good projects come out. Desiree Mulkey, thank you so much. Matt, thanks. I appreciate it. Matt. Whoa. Are you meaning to do that? Yeah, it's been bad lately. They probably had let go some of their devs that were charging them too much, and now they got some new ones that are messing stuff up. What do I think of DV? Masternodes, there's money to be made in the masternode game. But I mean, it's not long term. So personally, I wouldn't stick around in it for long. Thanks for the tip too, Robert. And Matt. You're just throwing those $2 bills. So this was a good topic on RF Finance. If you are on Reddit and you subscribe to Ethereum DeFi, this is the best subreddit. They have RF Trader, but that is crap compared to F Finance now. Good topic of bringing e-commerce functionality to DAI. That is what I want to see. Integration with WordPress and WooCommerce sites. And they're talking about it like it wouldn't be that hard. The big things that would, be the problem is how do taxes and things like that work for those who accept it. So hopefully someone comes out with a framework for businesses. because that's the next step. But BZX. So I've been looking at this one. It's another DeFi tool, and it is a token one. It's lending for leverage trading. So I don't like leverage trading if it's in a centralized system with no collateral within the crypto ecosystem. You know, if you're using Ethereum as collateral, that is something I like. If you use Bitcoin as collateral and in a decentralized trustless matter, go and leverage the crap out of it. Because guess what? It is actually using the economic rules of crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Actually using the coins. So I don't like any centralized service, but things like this, it's great. Great to see. And they're going to surge. I think they're just getting out their new protocol. And with Istanbul, December 4th, big things are coming, I think. It's number 12 on DeFi Pulse. Doesn't have much dominance at all. 3.4 million. But 90-day chart is looking good. It's doubled within 90 days. Added over 1 million in the past less than 30. And yeah, they're integrated with a lot of the big DeFi platforms that I like. DeFi Saver, one of the best MakerDAO CDPs. IDO was one I looked at early on. DeFi Portfolio Total. And MakerDAO and DAI. Because they did create their own variety of DAI. Where is that? Compound has C DAI, one of the most popular. X DAI was one of the first derivative of DAI, and it was run on a proof of authority sidechain. C DAI Compound. Oh no, iDAI. iDAI is not from Maker. What am I talking about? iDAI was BZX, and it was proposed before CDAI actually. And supposedly it's better than CDAI on Compound, their lending platform, because the iDAI that it compounds each second as opposed to per block, and that its exchange rate is capable of falling if its underlying pool suffers a loss. This makes it well suited for risk management derivative to be built on top. So a little bit safer than CDAI, because if a bank run does happen with CDAI, it's over. Oh, wow. Spanish Bull. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Stop shilling your sub to me, though, lads. That's not gonna... Doesn't make people want to sub to you when you beg. Beggars can't be choosers, brah. Oh, so this was a good little topic about DeFi. Arthur 0x, why I'm even more bullish on DeFi. There's a point at the end. Honestly, DeFi projects care about their users, while centralized exchanges are making too much money, so they don't give a damn. This is why I'm even more bullish on DeFi. This is exactly it, friends. Centralized, they do not give a crap about any of you. Not Bybit, not BitMex, not Binance. They care about money, and that is all. Now, decentralized protocols, they are governed sometimes by their community. So, if things don't happen, things start not going right, shady stuff starts going down, guess what? The governance takes over, and it fixes it. There is, in governance in a centralized exchange, it's usually, CZ, Binance, Yeehee, and whoever else, the crypto mafia, they make all the decisions. With a DeFi platform, something else can happen. So, I mean, and that's why, you see people care about the customers, because the owners of the protocol are the customers. Look, for this session, I just earned 0.2 back. 4 cents. You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Another one, Synthetics Network. It is pushing big time. Only thing that's kind of scary is the volume is pretty low. Not on too many exchanges, but that probably will change. It's been on a freaking tear, I'll tell you that. I mean, it has been nudie tootie. But I mean, a big whale couldn't even get rid of all of his tokens if he wanted to. So that's scary. It's $126 million market cap with only $1 million of volume. And it was lowered for a little bit. So that is scary. But it is, I mean, if you go to DeFi Pulse, it's got a shat ton of Ethereum locked up in it. 1.2 million ETH. Or over 1.2 million Ethereum. Total value in USD is pushed over 175 million. Yeah. I got some synthetics. Oh, so this was crazy. Craziness, I'll tell you that right now. The Bitcoin versus Ethereum, I made a video about it a while ago. I was telling you there was going to be a big Bitcoin versus Ethereum war coming, and it's already starting. Vitalik versus Adam Bakkt versus all the Bitcoin maximalists. It's funny to watch, and it's hilarious. Adam Bakkt went on a big old crazy tweet storm. And Vitalik responds. So Peter McCormick, he says, the BTC versus Ethereum front lines are super interesting. A group of people who believe that Ethereum is an important technology and will bring current narrative to the world. A group of people who think Ethereum is a scam, which can't scale, but all agree that Bitcoin is superior. But then Peter McCormick got a little mad. This is Adam Bakkt. Here's Peter McCormick. In response to Vitalik going after Adam, Peter McCormick says, I've never seen Adam post pedophile sympathy. Back in your lane, lad. And Vitalik, this goes back to a post in 2017, 2016, when Vitalik argued about child porn, which is stupid. I mean, but as we saw in my Satoshi Roundtable video, Vitalik got to go to the first Satoshi Roundtable. He was underage. He was a boy, young boy. And Brock Pierce was there. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know. But I still like Ethereum. Still buying it. DeFi. I'm just messing. Vitalik, he got his poo-tang at the Satoshi Roundtable. So let me actually use the Wayback Machine. Way back. How's everyone's Thanksgiving too? You guys eat yet? I'm about to eat. I need to get off here pretty soon. Gotta leave to my Gmas. I probably gotta pull up. Wayback Machine won't work when you just type it in usually. Oh, I'm buying Ren ChaosNet, bringing Bitcoin to Ethereum. That's big stuff. They didn't have photos yet. They just had the attendance. People got mad at me for exposing this too. Their little secret get together. Their Bilderberg. Why the interest in BZX? Because of its lending protocol, and IDAI. It's different than Compound. I mean, Compound already, if you go to DeFi Pulse, they are the third. They have 100 million locked up. I have a feeling if it is safer and it is for, leverage trading, we're going to see this take over Compound. Yes, 100%, Sander V. 100%. They got pictures? What the heck? Give me some pics, yo. Maybe 2017. I had them. I just... Kyber video? It's coming. I use Kyber daily. Not daily, but weekly. Dude, what the heck? Had a freaking one with pictures and shit. When do I decide to get into investments? I just buy and hold. So if I'm getting in it, I'm planning to be there in it for a long time. Oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. See? Vitalik got his first little taste of love at. Picture's huge. Yep, he was a young lad then. And yeah, he got hooked up. There's Matthew Mellon, I think. Yep. XRP Army. Woo! I had a good Twitter fight with ham and egg and salmon bacon. My new reply for XRP Army Shill Fam is, okay, boomer. It got him so frustrated last night. Oh my god. Hilarious. Oh, Papa Whoop! No problem. And thank you for the tip, man. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna smoke a fat doobie for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna munch, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I did. This was the first roundtable. Ham and eggs and Sam? You tried to argue with me about decentralized oracles and how XRP has decentralized oracles. I was like, oh yeah? How? Who's doing them? And he's like, have you ever heard of R3 Corda? I was like, okay, that's a permissioned blockchain and permissioned oracles, which doesn't mean it's decentralized. And then he was like, well, Ripple bought this DeFi company. And I was like, okay, are they going to use those oracles? And he's like, yeah. Well, it's not DeFi, dumb mother. He's an idiot. I'll tell you that. Yep, he was with the chickie lady that first round table. Brian Armstrong talked about it in 2016. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going to head out, you guys. I'm gonna go to my grandma's, eat some Thanksgiving turkey, smoke a doobie. I appreciate all you guys tuning in for this exciting live stream. Don't be tricked by Bakkt. Don't be going in leverage trading. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do with your life, actually. Go do what you want. It's Thanksgiving. Go long Bitcoin right now. I don't care. But I hope you guys have a Thanksgiving. Everyone who tipped, $100. Dude, that's crazy. I'm definitely gonna not probably just buy a joint, you know, with all the tips, I'll probably buy an ounce. It's crazy. Ounces are only like $80 in California right now. For good outdoor, like top of the line. Oh, almost got 800 on Thanksgiving. Awesome, guys. Much love, everybody. I will be doing a Kyber dive soon. So tomorrow I got a video about kind of goes into sort of regulations and stuff. It's about, you know, why can I think of it? IEOs, STOs, and why DeFi is going to lead the next bull run, and those things are just garbage. So that's video Friday, live stream Saturday, taking Sunday off. And then I'll see you guys again on Monday. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.